Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Part Templates lesson. To create a part template, use the New Document command and select Part using the default part template. Select Customize from the Options drop-down command. Select the Document Properties tab and select the ANSI detailing standard from the drop-down list. Activate the Units section and select the inch, pound, second option. Set the length precision to 3 decimal places and click OK to finish. In the Feature Manager, right-click on the Material folder and select Cast Alloy Steel from the context menu. Open Windows Explorer and add a new folder to store the SOLIDWORKS templates. Type My SW Templates in the folder name. Return to SOLIDWORKS and select the Options command. From the System Options tab, select the File Locations section. In the drop-down list, select Document Templates. Click Add, browse to and select the Templates folder just made. Click OK to finish. From the Save drop-down list, select Save As. Select Part Template from the Save As Type drop-down list. Browse to select the New Templates folder type ANSI inch cast alloy steel in the file name and click Save. Close the template and click on the New command. Click on the Advanced button and select the My SOLIDWORKS Templates tab. Select the previously saved template and click OK. Notice the material is set to cast alloy steel. Select the Options command and activate the Document Properties tab. Notice the standard is set to ANSI and the units are inches with 3 decimal places.